lighting, new construction style.
Huh?
I said, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you install recessed lighting. You connect the connectors. And you run the cable. You turn off the electricity.
You already did that.
Yeah, there is no electricity up here currently. FYI for you viewers at home. This is my least favorite part. Stapling the staples. Make sure you don't catch your wires in the staples now. I mean, make sure you do catch your wires in the staples. Make sure you don't, like really staple your wire, you know what I'm saying? Don't fucking fuck it up. Viewers at home. This is my butt holster. Comes in quite handy in situations such as these. Alright, so it looks like I've got myself a little extra wire here, folks. What I'm going to do is take these here tools and I'm going to simply snip the excess length away. This is what we call an X-Acto knife.
Shouldn't you be wearing gloves?
Why?
What if you cut yourself?
With what?
The X-Acto knife!
Always point the X-Acto knife away from your fucking self. I'll tell you what, I've cut myself a few times on this job site so far, but not one of those times was with an X-Acto knife. This tool also strips wires. Look at that. You cut them, strip them.
Does it strip off panties?
Do whatever the freak you want. What's that?
Does it strip off panties?
If you're into that kind of thing, it might. So these housings are pretty excellent because they've got these little quick connector things in here, which are pretty awesome. Make sure you take the instructions out and discard because they're paper, so if you leave paper in there, God knows what will happen. I'm sure it'll be fine, but...
Well, it wants you to read it.
Alright, so, ooh, yeah! I pushed it in there real nice. As you can see, white goes to white. It's pretty obvious for you viewers at home. And black goes to black. Not really what's happening in society right now, but electrical, the only time that really mixes is with 220. So the bare wire.
220?
Yep.
Is that like the...
Because you have 220, you have two hot legs on the circuit, so you're basically using the same color wires, but instead of having a neutral, like the white wire in this case, you would have they would both be hot. You'd have a hot white and a hot black. So that's tucked in the box. Always put your box cover on, or else they're going to put insulation all the freak up in the air. You don't want that. So now we have two lights daisy chained to each other. And I should really put a staple in the middle, even though I want to say I'm running a little low on staples, but... Plug it. Put another one in there, bub.
I think we got lots of staples.
I have some giant staples if I run out.
The insulated staples.
Yeah, those are pretty nice. Alright, so we are stable. We're connected here to here. Now I'm leaving this box open right now because I still have to connect it to a power source, which is coming later.
Intermission.